This is Burbank, a morning after. It's about like fucking 9 a.m., 8 a.m. I ain't got no sleep yet. I got snow drifts all the way halfway up my garage. Fucking snow everywhere. This guy got it up to his fence, bogus with it. Shoveled a big ass path through that shit. Imagine if this was all cocaine. Whew, look at my porch, man. Shit, I got a sled down this fucking stairs. Look at all that shit. These motherfuckers got it like up to their door. Across the street got it worse. Fuck them anyway. Got this jackass with a snowblower trying to clean shit. I got a shovel. Fuck you. There's that one car that fucking hit the snowbank yesterday. Porch is all fucked up. More work to do. 30 hours, no sleep. See you guys on the other side.